So we have these Nanoleaf lights, and they are touch-sensitive triangle lights, and we're going to put them on the front of the front desk, and with this pattern here, and yeah, I'm going to put them on the desk. So now that it's assembled and we have it where we want it, we have to stick it down onto the desk. So to keep it where we want it, we draw these lines so that we can start at the bottom and then go up. Okay, so now we're gonna drill the hole where the power cable is gonna come in so that the lights can turn on. Mom was having a little bit of trouble, so I'm gonna try it. It's not going.
Push. Trigger.
No, like I'm trying to push the trigger, but the trigger isn't triggering.
Did you flatten it? Oh, you press that.
Oh, what?
I don't know why you did.
Oh! I didn't expect it to be that easy. Wait, how do you get it? There we go. Were you faking that?
It must have been going the wrong way and I just didn't realise.
What do you mean going the wrong way?
Well, you can drill in and drill out, so it must have been trying to drill out rather than drill in.
It's finished and we're really happy with it. We think it looks really good. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.